Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well we're just doing a quick follow-up to the video I did recently of the unboxing of the mini CD DVD player, and basically in this video I'm just going to show you a couple of quick features of this player so that you can see a bit more on it that wasn't in the actual original unboxing video. So the first thing to show you is when you actually put batteries in the remote, which they don't give you batteries, and you turn it on, you are given a nice little splash screen when you hook it up to your TV to watch DVDs to be played. Now you've also got a settings button, and if you push the settings button that will bring up different options that you can adjust in this mini player, which is quite handy. So you've got settings for NTSC and PAL, you've got screen resolutions right from 480 to 1080p, and you've also got 4:3 or 16:9 options, which is pretty handy actually. So it's got quite a few options on it. You've also got options for displaying subtitles and also the screen display, so you can change that. You've got various options for audio, so you can set those, which is quite handy. You can adjust brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness and video, which is also good. You've got even more options, so you can set it for stereo left and right, and you've even got some final options. If I go across here, you've actually got some other ones too, which is also quite handy for adjusting the audio and also mono and mixing the sound. So it's got quite a few options, which is pretty good actually. Now if we go out of the settings menu, and then if we grab a CD, so I've got a CD here, and the main reason why I'm choosing this CD, apart from being Doctor Who, which I'm a big fan of as you know, is that it's got a nice little picture on it, because a lot of CDs don't necessarily have pictures. And basically I just want to show you that when you run a CD in this, you can actually see the picture spin as you shut it. So once it starts reading, the CD will spin and you get at least some sort of display on the screen coming up, and this will show you the different tracks, but you've also got the track display on the front of this player too, which is quite handy. And it does have G-Shock, so I can move it around, but it quite happily continues playing the CD without losing the audio, which is really handy too. Now if we stop this CD by opening it, and we'll just pull the CD out, what we'll do next is we'll just put a DVD in, and I'll just show you it playing a DVD, and you'll get a menu on the screen. So I'll just put this tripod's DVD in, and this will spin up, and then it should come up on the screen what this disc is. And as I said, this is supposed to be multi-region, so it will play DVDs from the US and Europe and Australia, which is pretty good. As you can see, you've got a copyright warning, this BBC Worldwide Limited, and what we should have now coming up is a menu. So you can see that this is actually a region 2 DVD, so this is from the UK, and it's playing this quite happily. So it is multi-region, which is quite handy as well. So that's another cool feature as well. One final thing I'll show you is if you press the mode button, you can then select the USB port, and if you've got USB files on there that are in MP3 and recognizable MP4 files, it will also play those. And in this case, these are copyright free music, so I can actually let you hear some of this. So this is just the YouTube audio library playing some of the sounds. So if we play some of those, just play that one there. So you can see it's quite good that it's got this menu system, but it also will display that again on the actual screen and give you the running time and everything too. And as I said, it's got some sort of G-Shock type thing, so it shouldn't have any issue again moving it around, which is quite handy. So overall, this mini player is pretty decent, and if you're after one, I could definitely recommend it. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.